Hi, I've been asked to do this question that's out of exercise 5B. Put that down, exercise 5B. That's question 13. You can also ask about question 15, but pretty much exactly the same as this. Now, we've just finished a lesson on discriminant, and that's what this is all about. Because it says we know how many solutions are there. So we know that therefore b squared minus 4ac, which is known as the discriminant, must equal to 0. And they're the coefficients of the expression. So that's your a, your b, and your c. And as you can see, k is related to a. So all we need to do is substitute those values and determine what k is from that. So we have a equals to k, b equals +6, and c equals +3. So let's substitute that into the discriminant formula. So we have 6 squared minus 4 times a, which is k, times c, which is 3. That must equal to 0. So simplifying that, we have 36 minus 12k equals 0. And then it's a case of getting k by itself. So add 12k to both sides. We have 36 equals 12k. Therefore, k must equal to 3. The interesting thing is that we most probably must recognize that we can use our calculator. So let's do our calculator for that task. So that way I can solve for 2 solutions and no solutions. So quickly going to our calculator, 1 for calculator, and let's do that. So I'm basically solving for an equation. So just simply menu 3, 1 to solve. We set up the b squared minus 4ac equals 0. So let's, b was 6, so that's 6 squared minus 4 times k times 3 equals 0. Sorry about that. And solving for, and we have k this time. Remember, we are solving for k. There's your k equals 3. So looking at part B, so if I go look part B, and we want to know what k is equal to for 2 solutions and no solutions. So it's basically exactly the same. We're using discriminant, but instead of equal to 0 for 2 solutions, can you remember what that was equal to? Yes, it was actually greater than 0, and for no solution, it's less than 0. So we can very simply set that up on our calculator. Here we go. Remember, no need to copy. Just simply cursor up, press enter, change that equal sign to, for 2 solutions, it's going to be greater than 0. Remember, the discriminant tells us how many based on whether it's equal to 0, or in this case, we want greater than 0 for 2 solutions. And there you are. All k values must be less than 3. So k equals to 2. So it's 2x squared, and so on. And of course, repeat that process for no solutions. Of course, for no solutions, we have less than 0. So control, remember, it's in this equal button, less than 0. And clearly, it's going to be for values of k greater than 3. So basically, that's the same for question 15. You'll either use one of those depending if they want 1, 2, or no solution. Don't forget, if they change the pronumeral to any other, just make sure it's comma, whatever pronumeral. I trust that will help you with that. The challenge is for you to recognize that in a general test or even exam. So that's why you practice this, so that you can instill into your minds the different strategies depending on the type of question. Have a good day. Thanks.